The ability to process and interpret visual information has always been at the core of human innovation. From the earliest cave paintings to the golden age of Hollywood, visual storytelling has been a testament to our creative genius. But today, a groundbreaking shift is occurring. Artificial intelligence is redefining how we create, consume, and interact with visual media. This episode will guide you through this fascinating journey, demonstrating how AI is transforming the industry and opening doors for creators worldwide. In its infancy, visual information processing was manual and painstaking. Early photography required hours of exposure, and animation involved hand-drawing thousands of frames. The advent of computers brought efficiency, but even then, tools like Adobe Photoshop in the 1990s were revolutionary but limited by human input. The rise of CGI, from the groundbreaking visuals to the immersive worlds of machine vision, computers learning to see through, advancements in neural networks, interactive tools, introduction of tools like Photoshop and After Effects. AI has supercharged the creative process. Tools like Runway ML and Adobe Sensei allow creators to perform tasks in minutes that once took days. For example, automated color correction, instant object removal and replacement in images, style transfer to emulate artistic techniques. Pixar's used artificial intelligence to simulate realistic lighting and textures, pushing the boundaries of animation. Challenge: what creative task do you wish could be automated? Comment your thoughts. AI tools are not just for Hollywood anymore. Platforms like Canva and Descript empower independent creators and small businesses to produce professional-grade content. A YouTube creator uses AI-generated scripts and visuals to amass millions of followers. Indie game developers create stunning environments with AI-driven design software. Hyper-personalized content, AI algorithms creating media tailored to individual preferences. Immersive storytelling, AI-powered AR and VR experiences. Ethical challenges, navigating authenticity in a world of deepfakes. Explore AI tools. Try Runway ML or Jasper. Experiment with AI in your projects. Use Canva's design automation features. Engage with the community. Share your AI experiments on platforms like LinkedIn or Reddit. Call to action: subscribe now to continue this journey into AI's transformative role in visual media. Next episode: how AI is reimagining animation from pencil to prompt.